Hey, how's it going, everybody? And this is Roger Cruz. Thanks for tuning in. And today I'm going to teach you how to do the Wix booking app. This will be a quick tutorial, and we'll also start doing step-by-step tutorials. So it depends on how you learn. So if this is a little too fast for you, just put a comment in the link below saying I'd like to see a step-by-step tutorial. So this is your Wix dashboard. If you're familiar with it, perfect. Go right here to the booking services while you're in the dashboard. And this is a really easy way that you can edit your site booking without having to get inside the editor. Number one benefit for this is the editor takes up a lot of bandwidth. So a lot of times what you're trying to do will happen slow. And this is just a way to get it done fast. So I need to reset up this on my site. And basically, so you have some kind of visual to look at. On my site currently, I have no booking app done whatsoever. I've had a few in the past for booking for different kinds of services. But now that we've got a few more services at my ad agency, I need to set up one for Wix websites. Then I need to set up one for any kind of digital marketing. Set up one for these 360 tours, anyone who might need to talk about some print, and then the billboards that we have for rent. So we're going to do 4 different services, and we're just going to set up different tutorials for them. Okay? All right. Well, different consultations for them, really. Okay, so this is my version of a blank app. I just kind of made it this way, so it looks like what you got. Let's get right into it. So here it says our services. I'm going to go ahead and edit this. And we're just going to put this, and we're going to call it Consultations. Free consultations. Perfect. And now I'm going to add one for each one of my services. So we'll go here. We're going to edit. And I'm going to erase the preloaded text here. This is option 1. I'm going to call this Wix Web Design Consultation. We're going to leave it under free consultations. You might have to type that in for yours. If you do, just hit add new and type in whatever you need for your service. These are optional. We're going to go ahead and do one really quick. Get a free consultation with a Wix expert. Instead of putting get, put book. Here's a booking app. Book a free, let's let me know how long it is, 20-minute consultation. Kind of know how long they have. There we go. Be more prepared. There we go. Perfect. All right. And the description. Let's go over any questions you have about Wix. Wix websites. The functionality of a Wix site on the internet. Wait to learn more. All right. So this is some pretty good verbiage, kind of letting people know what I want, what to expect, what we're looking for here. Add an image, just click in. I've got some preloaded images. I'll go with this one. Free duration 20 minutes. We get 10-minute space. We'll put Roger Cruz. There. All right, perfect. So I kind of like how that setup is. So if you like how your first setup is, I would just delete the other ones. So instead of rewriting all that stuff for each service, just going to use this as a template. Now we can just hit duplicate, edit. Look out for misspelling. If you're like me, you don't spell very well. Grammarly is a good desktop extension to have. Everything looks good. See, this is going to save me a lot of time. I forgot to change the picture. So you can see I kind of thought this out ahead of time. So I'd advise you do the same. Think about what you want, get the pictures together. That way, kind of think about what you want your content to say. All this stuff's going to help you. I meant to duplicate this, so let's go back. And that's how I would say that. I would just continue to duplicate. So I'm going to pause really quick and do the rest of these because you kind of get what I'm doing. And then I'm going to get to the next step. That way we don't waste your time, okay? Just let me pause and see you literally in just a flash. Okay, so now I've got the other services in. And the layout's basically the same for all of them. I changed the line about the only phone call or internet and just put phone call, instant message, or in person. Because if they want to meet in person, obviously we'd call them to confirm a meeting place and all that, which would help kind of clarify everything. I do my best to try to make everything welcoming, even if I need to put a stipulation behind it. Because the last thing you want to do is turn somebody off by wording something bluntly or rudely. So this is basically the same format every time. We'll go over to one of the ones I just wrote, just kind of as an example. And the reason it's the same format is just so it's kind of uniform, because people probably click through each one, even if they only plan on getting print. They might want to see the other ones or whatnot. So type of consultation, images that look relatively similar. They get a free 20-minute consultation with someone who's experienced in that particular service. And then we'll go over any questions that they have about the service. And then I just address the common questions they'd have. So for something like this, it'd be like pricing, turnaround time, the process and the quality. For the billboard ads, it'd be locations, design, terms, payment options. You know your business better than anyone, but I would say structure one, duplicate it down if you want to follow this. But that's just one way of doing it.